Good afternoon. My name is Gary Bauer with Bauer Transportation. I just want to thank you from our family to your family, working together during these challenging times through the pandemic and COVID. Looking forward to a very positive 2021 and growing our relationships together. Thank you so much and happy holidays to you and your family.
Here at Bauer's, we have taken specific measures to ensure safe and luxurious transportation in each of one of our vehicles. We have been in business for 31 years and have become a cornerstone in the transportation industry. We have all the solutions for your transportation needs. Many of our clients are choosing Bauer's intelligent transportation to transport employees to and from work in an efficient and safe manner during the pandemic.
Hola, soy Edgar Romero, el director de Recursos Humanos para Bauer's Inteligente Transportación. Aquí en Bauer's utilizamos desinfectantes de grados médicos que garantizan un ambiente libre de virus en cada de nuestros vehículos. Nuestros vehículos se desinfectarán con electrostáticos pulverizadores diario y se limpian al fondo cada vez que se utilizan. Tomamos muy serio la seguridad y hemos tomado todas las precauciones para prevenir el contagio del virus. Gracias por elegir Bauer's Inteligente Transportación.
Whether it is a wedding, a Napa wine event, or a daily commuter service, we're here to make sure that we exceed your expectations in safety and in luxury. We are professionals serving professionals and promise to deliver an exceptional service. So from us here at Bauer's, thank you and happy holidays.
At Bauer's, we take pride in getting our clients to and from their destinations safely. So thank you for trusting in us.
Thank you. Because of you, we can do what we love for you.
Thank you for putting your trust in us during the pandemic.
Wishing you and your families a very happy and safe holidays to get through these crazy times that we're in today. Looking forward to a bright 2021 and working together. So let us know how we can help you in any commuter transportation, event transportation, or even an airport transfer. Let us know what we can do for you here at Bauer's, and happy holidays to you and your family.